Okay, so let's solve today's LeetCode daily question 1637, that is widest vertical area between 2 points containing no points. And in this we'll be given n points on a 2D plane where points I is represented as xi and y coordinates, and we have to return the widest vertical area between 2 points such that no points are inside the area. Okay, so and a vertical area is an area of fixed width extending infinitely long along the y-axis. Okay, that means it can have infinite height, and the widest vertical area is the one with the maximum width. Okay, and now note that points on the edge of a vertical area are not considered included in that area. Okay, that was just basic. Okay, so in the first example we can look, we are having points as 8 7 9 9 7 4 and 9 7. Okay, these are marked on the graph. So this would be considered as the widest vertical area between any 2 points, that is 8 7 and 9 7. Okay, and we are not having any graph for this second part, so it would be a bit difficult for me to explain, but as we'll proceed through the question, I hope that you will understand why how this will approach. So okay, so firstly what we can conclude that we'll just be needing the coordinates for x-axis, and through that we can consider the maximum area. Okay, so firstly what we'll do, let's sort the arrays dot sort. Okay, here we'll pass the points, and we have to pass a custom comparator that will be a comma b, as that will return me a0 minus b0. Okay, so we'll be sorting them in the increasing order of the x-axis, and let's have a variable answer equal to 0. And then let's run a for loop, and we'll be comparing it with the every previous vertical areas, because we can rearrange the points. Okay, so that won't affect. Int I equal to 1, I less than points dot length, and then I plus plus, and let's update the answer variable as mat.max answer comma points I 0 minus points I minus 1 at its x-axis. Okay, so with this was just it, and now let's return the answer at the end of it. And it gets accepted. Okay, so now let's submit it. And it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today, and thank you for watching. And if you do like my content, please hit the subscribe button and the like button. Okay, thank you for watching.